Welcome to our guide on scheduling meetings with Zoom. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to efficiently schedule meetings using Zoom's versatile features. Whether you're new to Zoom or looking to enhance your scheduling skills, this tutorial covers everything you need to know. From setting up recurring meetings to utilizing advanced settings for a personalized experience, join us as we demystify the process of scheduling meetings in Zoom. Click on Schedule. Add topic meeting. And choose date and time zone your country. Then add email or name attendees. Also, you can personally meeting ID, you can security meeting by password, it's important. Here choose who can join to video meeting. Also can add this meeting in Calendar Google. In advanced options there are options. You can block some country or allow meeting only in your country. Also, you can allow record this meeting in local computer. Also can mute participants. Schedule meeting is added. You can copy and share with participants informations.